Hi, this is Lorna Evans, and today I wanted to create a fuller, thicker look. So we're going to be using the Amazing Secret by Amazing Hair. We're going to slip it just on the top of George's head, and then using my big tail comb, we're going to flip her own hair over the top of the weft. We're now going to secure the hair at the nape of the neck using 2 bobby pins and an elastic band. Using the big tail comb, we're just going to use the teeth of it to give it a lovely ruched effect. Take around about 1/3 of the hair and spin around the ponytail. Now it's time to secure using our unique Kingpin. Open up the bottom deck of the Kingpin and attach the hair that you would like to hold. Taking the second section, we're going to twist and flip around the base just to create more of a pot type of shape to the hair. Add another Kingpin to secure. Now all we're going to do is ruche it over, and then of course using the beautiful Jeanette Marie jewellery just to give it a little bit of bling.